Hello everybody and welcome back to Budgies for Life. And today I'm going to be making a video about just budgie feeding time. Just budgies relaxing, having feeding time. And let's see how they react. So then my budgies are just going to be eating, and I'm going to be talking about, like, what I talked about in the update. So soon it's going to be Lemon's hatch day. I'm planning on getting a lot of millet for the hatch day and celebrating it and getting toys. And then of course I'm not going to bombard the cage with toys, but I'm going to just have them there. And I'm actually going to switch them out. Switch a toy that I think that they don't really like for the new toy. And Aries is, like I said in the update, that it's going to be all the way in August, which is going to be a very long time from now, I guess. And that's really it from budgie feeding time. And some people had questions. This is millet, not fried chicken. It's millet, not fried chicken. So just to clarify. And they're fighting again. So, and I hope you guys liked that video. And goodbye.